मकर संक्रांति में पतंग उड़ाने की तैयारी कर ली? अब लड्डू बनाएंगे, लेकिन एक ट्विस्ट के साथ। Hello and welcome to the ShilpaShetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. मकर संक्रांति की आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज हम तिल के लड्डू में लाए हैं एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड delicious twist. So today we're going to make the easy white chocolate and sesame seed truffle. Yes! बहुत ही आसान सी रेसिपी है। इस रेसिपी के लिए सिर्फ 4 चीजों की जरूरत है: white chocolate, sesame seeds, tahini और butter. And we'll make the butter better by adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk and probiotics, which make it yummy, tasty, and also supports immunity. Moreover, the sesame seeds are high in magnesium, calcium, and antioxidants, which help improve bone health and boost immunity. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So we've got our double boiler ready. Once it's slightly hot, इसमें जाएगा हमारा white chocolate. That's 500 grams of white chocolate. Fully melted. Now in goes our tahini, 1/4 cup. And switch off the heat. And now we put in our Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. So beautiful. Look at that. चलिए उस मिक्सचर को हमने इस बोल में ट्रांसफर कर दिया है, and this will go into our fridge for a good 45 minutes. Look at this. Just mold it with the warmth of your palms. These are toasted sesame seeds. Ta-da! This is what you call delicious. आप भी ट्राई कीजिए ये healthy fusion dessert, which the kids and even the adults are going to absolutely love. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread is truly the butter way to do it. जरूर ट्राई कीजिए ये रेसिपी, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the simple soulful app now. तब तक के लिए मैं हमेशा क्या कहती हूँ? स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो और मजे करो. Happy मकर संक्रांति.